say row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Now you see that we have these cups ready where there's coconut coils inside these cups. So what we will do now next, we will put the seeds inside these cups, and then these cups will float. First we will wait for some time seeds to grow, and then we'll transfer these cups into the hydroponic solution. This is one of the techniques of growing plants, one of the new techniques of growing plants, hydroponics. This plant has grown. Yes, clear roots, white roots. It means it's a healthy plant. It is getting good nutrients from the solution of hydroponics, which are basically ornamental green pepper. To hekku aram san yet asl pati wuchit yus yatmans chu to hekku wuchitan to try it chim holes is banaymityan is basically experimental ken student an te havan ki es kit ken hekko sustainable agricultural techniques use karitan in modern ways to grow plants. Basically it's one of the techniques which will be used in future to grow plants in greenhouses or on business basis as well. So ये तो experimental. बल्कि अगर के students यम में interested आसान, तिमो हेको ये thoroughly है ये कि इस कित कहीं ये grow करान, मतलब at home ते हेको उचित. तो ये शुद्ध है काम इतना उचित आराम सान. Ashiyat mus pevan pH maintain thaun, electrical conductivity sh pevan maintain wichin, ash so pevan check karin. To ye easily wichin. Ash kidan chim plant sh to judi sh lure cucumber, which I see basil, which broccoli, which kale. So different plants are here. We are doing on an experimental basis to show students how to grow these plants. Thank you, Matthew. So one of the important steps in the hydroponic farming on large scale or small scale, that is aeration of water, hydroponic solution. Yatmaz which wuchan yethan wuchan aeration khadr kya shu karmus kam ash kurmus kam ach basically magnetic vibration air pump mutan the steam pipes karo kus use the har kan pipe gesiat each hole mazan. At the end of pipe we are using these kinds of these are basically a kind of rock to which we karo ye dip patiyat water smas taki the basically oxygen using root khadr zarat chu for its normal growth. So we can iskaro istemal chu chmim tre lagaw kim tren pipe mas idu chu to vichan Maggie Keshkaran. Easily you can see he is trying to put the pipe inside that rock, which basically which helps in the aeration. Technique. Maggie, what are you doing? Yeah, just put it inside. Put it inside.
Why do it?
Yes, you should be able to pipe. So on hole mas. Mes basically madad karan is aeration mas ye gaya ke karon is dip yatmas the daim chuti daim te karo is dip taki is karo ye water aerate. Here you can see we have already grown some plants in this hydroponic solution Yes, the Vishan is already hydroponic solutions mazim grow karmiten. They are already here. The iskaro Amazon can plants never. You must grow karo kis base solutions mas. We will do it later. When we karo is come, what we are going to do is throw glass, ya trash bottle mazan. But before that, what we have to do, we have to fill this bottle with hydroponic solution. Am I right, Mehdi?
Yes.
Yes, am I right? Okay, I am right. How I can be wrong? So, is kya karo in kum? Is kum? Is throw yat mazan solution and hydroponic solution. The is already hydroponic solutions must grow kurmut. You plant. This is ornamental green pepper. The is karo kum. You karo in is must dip. The baker is clay pebbles that must use. The use is basically for the growth medium and plant ke grow karne khadr roz hai. Is karne ka khas technology use, simple technology, hole ko, and then is karam pat yum roots is can pass through the holes. Simple. And but raise pebbles. We just put some pebbles, clay pebbles. Online I see Amazon especially. And now we are going to dip this plant inside the bottle. You should trash bottle. And then what we will do, we will put some more pebbles. I throw can be pebbles at them so that it can look nice in it. This is our end product, and now the plant will grow more and more bigger. So yat mazan you see experimental ya project gare spawning kurmutus khada at organic high forms. Just seed basically grow kurmut from hydroponic solution pethe yat mazan you would board go to divide bay. Bahut big method is now here you can see how we have grown plants in the hydroponic solution, and we have maintained the pH between 5.5 to 6.5. Usually aram se nikam chitan ke extension grow karne basically is plant growth she totally goes hydroponic solution ismazan. We have covered the trash bottles with the paper, so that the green alga will not grow inside the hydroponic solution. That's the main reason why we have covered the bottles with the paper, or you can use the foils, tin foils, so that the green alga cannot grow.